So today I'm actually on the elliptical. I just finished the bike. I'm trying to do like a light workout so I can just burn more calories. I'm still 2 kilos away from the goal weight. Weigh-ins is in exactly 1 week, so 7 days to lose 2 more kilos. It's about 4 pounds, and yeah, we're gonna have to do some extra workouts. Keep eating clean. I'll show you guys some of the things that I've been eating. We got 4 pounds to go. Let's do it. Okay, that's it for my workout today. I'm now rushing over to class. Just grabbed a fork because I have a yummy salad to eat today. Great.
That's because...
Okay, so one thing I want to talk about in this video is weight cutting, because I keep getting so many questions about how I lose weight, how I weight cut, and I know that lots of people try to weight cut or to lose weight, but they do it wrong and they skip meals. But before we begin, disclaimer, I don't have any like professional nutritional certifications or anything. I'm not a licensed nutritionist. I'm just gonna show you guys what I do to lose weight, and then maybe it'll help you guys get some ideas for what you can do if you're weight cutting as well. So I've actually written this out, and I have this cute little PDF that kind of helps me remember and get ideas, because sometimes I'll be hungry and I'll have no idea what to eat and I'll want to eat something unhealthy, but then I just look at my little plan and it reminds me of some healthy options. Let's start off with some good breakfast options. Oatmeal, you can have fruits and nuts mixed in with milk and a little bit of honey. That's like my favorite. Greek yogurt, make sure it's plain and not flavored, because those things can be sugar packed. You can also add in fruit or granola as well. It makes it taste really good. Fruit, so like bananas, blueberries, strawberries, watermelon. You can make this into a smoothie and add in some veggies in there and you won't even notice that they're in there. I love eating eggs for breakfast. Usually I will poach them or boil them. I'll try and stay away from anything like scrambled eggs or anything fried. Almond butter. I love having toast with almond butter on it, or toast with avocado on it, and then some like cheese sprinkled on top. Delicious. Almond milk. I don't drink real milk, which I wouldn't say that like real cow milk is bad. I just prefer almond milk. And my absolute favorite, banana egg pancakes, which I've made before, and I'll leave the link down below as well. The cool thing about banana egg pancakes is that literally you can have bananas and eggs and make pure pancakes that taste so good just from those 2 ingredients. No flour needed. They're really good. So those are all my breakfast options. Make sure you do not skip breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day. I know you might not be hungry when you wake up, but your body needs it, so eat that breakfast. Also, if you guys have me on Instagram, I am doing like a story highlight of everything that I eat during this weight cut. So everything that I've been eating, I just like snap a picture and I throw into my story, which will stay there for like forever. So if you guys want to add me on Instagram, if you don't have me already on there, then that can also help you guys with some ideas. And then let's go over some lunch and dinner options. The first thing that I try to do when I'm weight cutting is no eating after 8 o'clock at night. Sometimes I have to, because I won't get home until really late from training, like around 9:30 or 10. I'll just try and limit what I eat and try and cut down the carbs. But if you can avoid it, no eating after 8 p.m. And here's some of the things that I try and eat for lunch and dinner. Boiled, steamed, or grilled, or raw vegetables. So some vegetables that I really like are like spinach, carrots, Brussels sprouts, tomatoes, broccoli, onions. Wait, I don't like onions. Kale, beets, cauliflower. I don't like cauliflower either. That's a bad list. Peppers, zucchini, and cucumber. So something else that I like to eat, I like to avoid certain kinds of carbs. So instead of eating rice, for example, I'll make some quinoa. If you don't know what quinoa is, it can be really good or really bad depending on how you make it. So make sure that you look up some fun ways of making it. Salads are great, just make sure that you don't have a whole ton of unhealthy dressing on it. Beans, these are a great source of iron and other nutritional things. What's that called? I don't remember. Just make sure they're not canned or pre-made. So just like fresh beans that you have to like boil and cook. Lean meat, so I try and eat like chicken and turkey, and avocados. They have healthy fats and they make everything taste really good. Hummus and veggies, I love hummus. Salmon. I hate fish, but I started eating salmon just because I knew it was healthy for me, and it's also a really good weight cutting food to make, and it kind of changes up what you're eating. And lastly, sweet potatoes or yams. Those are really good carbs. Lastly, let's go over some snack options. So things that I like to snack on throughout the day are random fruits and veggies. I'll like cut up little apples and put them in a Ziploc baggie, and then I'll just take those to school with me. Any kind of chia products. I love chia. Smoothies. I love having like a midday smoothie. Healthy bars. So I know that they make a lot of protein bars and most of them aren't healthy, but there are some really healthy ones. Now let's go over the things that I avoid when I'm weight cutting. No soda, no juices, unless you physically like squeeze and blend the natural fruit, but don't just buy like some orange juice because it has a ton of sugar. No white bread, no white rice, no pastry, so no desserts, no ice cream or cake, no candy, no pizza, no cheeseburgers, no canned anything, nothing that's frozen or fast food, nothing breaded or fried, no sugar, and anything else that you can think of that isn't healthy. Now, like I said, these are all the things that I avoid or that I follow for my own weight cut, and this is what helps me make it on weight. I've never not made weight. Trying not to jinx it. It depends on how much over I am, but usually I'll start like at least a week to 3 weeks in advance from a weight cut. You don't want to leave it off till the last minute and try and sweat it out, because that is just unhealthy. And I know people that, you know, like they get in those sauna suits and they hop into the sauna and they run and they haven't eaten in like 2 days. Don't be one of those people. Start your weight cut early, or if you just want to lose weight, try and plan to do it over like a gradual amount of time. Don't just try and do it all at once, otherwise you're gonna end up feeling horrible, especially if you're planning on competing. Some basic tips for weight cutting are: aim to eat healthier, not less. You shouldn't ever feel like you're starving. Plan ahead, so prepare snacks for long stretches of time when you know that you're going to be out and about and you won't be able to get a healthy meal. Drink lots of water. This will help you stay hydrated, which is really good for your body, and it'll make you feel a little bit more full after a meal if you're still hungry. So I really hope that this video was helpful to you guys. I still have 4 more pounds to lose before my weigh-ins, which is exactly, no, it's in 6 days. 6 days, and then I can finally eat everything I want to again. If you guys are weight cutting, then let me know in the comments below when your weigh-ins is, how many pounds you're over, or if you just want to lose weight, let me know what your goals are down in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and then ask me any questions that you guys have. I'm so excited to be competing in the US Open. It's almost here. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you guys all in the next vlog. Bye guys!